Under our laws, the president cannot appoint people until within the fourth degree of consanguinity or affinity. Sa civil service code ho natin, up to third, you cannot
nepotism,
appoint. Nepotism law. At kaming mga local government, up to fourth, we cannot appoint. May nagalit nga sa akin pinsan ko, sinaabutan ko na direktor ng water, tinanggal ko. So, in this particular instance, ano yung mga proposal from Congress? Fourth consanguinity, second consanguinity?
Alam mo, yung pinakamataas na inabot, 5 kongreso, yan ang fina-file ko. Yung pinakamataas na inabot ng aking bill na yan ay noong 2015. Kung saan nakapasa ito sa committee, napag-aralan, nakonsulta yung mga constitutionalists, yung mga legal experts. At ito yung nakapasa yung sa aking version.
Ano yung second consanguinity o fourth consanguinity? Ang bawal.
Second,
ang bawal tumakbo.
Second.
In any position.
In any
Alam mo,
position.
maliwanag naman yung intent ng mga framers ng Constitution. One, kailangan, may test yan kung paano malalaman na it conforms with the provision of the Constitution. One,
yes, definitely.
it must promote equal access.
Equal access to public service.
Public
Equal
service.
opportunity to
Lalo
public
na yung
service.
mga mahihirap. Pangalawa, dapat yun, it would prevent monopoly of power.
Perpetuation.
Concentrated.
Perpetuation.
And perpetuation. Yes, I agree.
Pangatlo, it should not be arbitrary.